What's going on, Pat Nation? Haven't seen you boys in a while. Man, it's been a minute, dog. It's been a minute. It's been a long time, bro, since I've been on here. I know. I've been working a lot. So it's been a minute since I've been on here. But what's going on, Pat Nation? You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to jump on here real quick just to talk about a couple of subjects that I had to hurry up and jump on here real quick and talk about. And obviously, we all know, we've seen it all on social media. The number one subject that I obviously want to talk about is Stefon Diggs. Lord have mercy. This man here is already going viral on basically him on a boat ride. And I don't want to speculate, but, you know, they basically saying that he has passing out drugs or whatever, which I hope in his case, that's not true. Because if it is, we going to cut that boy in a heartbeat. And basically just probably going to go ahead and just, I think Keenan Allen is still a free agent. Go ahead and grab that dude. So, I mean, and we ain't got to worry about that particular stuff that Stefon Diggs is doing. You know what I'm saying? It seems like he's coming with a lot of baggage. So, but I'm pretty sure Mike Verma probably, like he told the media, me and Stefon Diggs already talked, but we're going to keep that in-house. So I'm pretty sure that conversation did not go great. So I'm pretty sure he put him in check to let him know, hey, man, this is the Patriots. At the end of the day, we're going to have a big microscope on everything we do. So be mindful of the things that you do off the field. So on that note, yeah, I just wanted to just talk about that one particular thing. You know, that's the big elephant in the room that I'm pretty sure you guys already know. But again, on that note, we're going to basically talk about also the second subject I want to say is how our rookies is starting to, you know, show out in OTAs and, you know what I'm saying, and look like they trying to make a name for themselves. And I think that basically Will Campbell has basically been going up against Keon White, and which is another young, promising defensive end. I believe he was a second rounder, if I'm not mistaken. Second round or third round, one of them. Don't quote me on that, but I heard that they've been like pretty much like battling it out. Like sometime, you know, Will will win, and then sometime White will win, and you know, sometime it'll be Campbell will like win maybe 2 reps, and then you know maybe lose a rep. You know, but iron sharpens iron. That's really, really good, which I love. You know what I'm saying? And Will Campbell is also trying to like study, as in like learn from the veterans, whether they defensive end or even on the offensive side of the ball, which is Moses, you know, the right tackle. He's basically Morgan Moses. He learning stuff from him. You know, what can I do? So he's trying, he's showing that he's willing to learn because he want to be great. One of those best blind side, you know, offensive tackles. And I love that. That means that we ain't got to worry about his work ethic. We ain't got to worry about him trying to, like, learn. And Kyle Williams, next, promising, like, rookie and receiver. Like, man, I seen this video of him, Drake May. Drake May, like, threw the ball down the field. Like, man, threw a rocket down there. And what's the name? Williams went down there and just, I mean, he just threw it in the basket like it was just nothing. You know what I'm saying? And it looked so pretty. But obviously, you know, they in helmets and shorts and obviously invisible defensive guys. That means nobody's there. So I can't wait until, like, you know, them pads come on, and besides them playing against each other when they do joint practices. And it's crazy how I did say that it'll be nice if we play go joint practice against the Commanders. And I said that, if you go back in one of my videos, I did say that it'll be nice for us to basically go up against the Commanders. Because it's smart. Why not learn from that particular team? Because we was that team. You know what I'm saying? Or are we trying to be that team is what I'm trying to say. Because at a point in time, we all know the Commanders did suck. And all of a sudden, bam, you made some little moves here and there. And all of a sudden, they was in the NFC Championship game. So we trying to be that way. You know what I'm saying? Little moves here and there. And obviously, basically get into the AFC. Or heck, even in the playoffs. You know what I'm saying? But obviously, first come first, win our division at the end of the day. Trying to knock them Bills off because they don't belong there no way, by the way. They still our little boys, little brothers at the end of the day. But on that note, another rookie that I also say that's basically doing great is Trey Henderson, that running back, bro. He's from Ohio State. Man, if Stevenson don't watch out, bro, his position is about to get taken. I'm just saying. And if his position get taken by this rookie, they finna ship him off. Just saying. But he's doing great. You know what I'm saying? And he's a third down back. He's showing it and proving it in OTAs that he could be a third down back. That's why I say I can't wait until he basically get in pass so he can also show it. Because not only he can run the ball and give you a home run like play, he can also catch out of the backfield. That's another awesome thing that he can do. But the main thing that he can do so well is block when you need him to block in the passing on third downs. That is beautiful. Beautiful. That is a complete back. So that's what makes him so dangerous and so good. And obviously you got these undrafted running back, I think from Davis or something like that. But he's, last name Davis, if I'm not mistaken. But anyways, I see it, if people are not really paying attention to it, Josh McDaniels is basically trying to create those great offense that we had when we had three good running backs. When we had a power back, we had a third down back, and then we had three guys that we can basically, switch that had different type of styles as in running wise, but they all had to block. You feel me? So, and they already talking about that they need basically another receiver. They already saying it now that they need a receiver. So I'm with that. The more weapons, the better. And but yeah, man, like obviously, that'll be great. I can't wait. I'm super ecstatic, so excited, man. I can't wait until the season. I can't wait to hear from these joint practices when we play against these other teams. But yeah, man, like I say, on that note, the third subject that I want to talk about, and then this pretty much wraps it up, is basically, I want to say this, and it's true. Like I also did say, man, obviously you see our signings, our defense is basically going to be the bread and butter for this season. And you can obviously tell Christian Barmo, he looked like he's healthy, ready to go. Hopefully, man, God willing, that he basically stays healthy the whole entire season. And obviously, Milton Williams, man, those two guys right there, they already know. They already been talking and saying, hey, man, everything starts with us. We the anchors. We the people that got to set the tone. So they already basically been letting each other know that we got to make some noise. And like basically Mike Verba say, you win the games in the trenches. So it seemed like we already got our defensive side already ready as in trenches wise. We just need to see on the offensive side. You know what I'm saying? So again, man, I'm looking super duper forward to seeing our defense wreck shop. You know what I'm saying? You got what's his name? Landry, the guy that played at Tennessee, familiar with Mike Verma, defensive end, nasty. I already know he finna do his thing. And obviously, like I say, when you got Jennings over there too, a rotational guy. Then you got what's his name? Keon White. You know what I'm saying? So our defense is great. And we got, might as well say he could be a 1B, you know what I'm saying, corner on he could be the number one corner on any other team, Carlton Davis. And obviously, you got, what's his name, Christian Gonzo. In my personal opinion, top 3 corner in the league right now. You know what I'm saying? I don't care what nobody say. In my opinion, top 3 corner in the league. So, but I can't wait, man. I really, really can't wait. But yeah, man. Again, it's been a while since I basically posted a video. I'm seriously gonna try to continue on this pace, but on basically continue on giving y'all the good news on Patriot Nation. But again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.